All right, hopefully we can get some today, man. Yesterday, I came on this bitch. It was nothing here. Pause. I pulled up to the charts and it was nothing that I liked. There, that's a better way to say that shit. I think this might be our target for today. But right now we're pushing down, and this is the 15-minute. We might have to come down the previous day low and fuck around down here and then push up tomorrow. It is still Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday usually makes the low or the high of the week. We might not even come back down this far. I mean, we already came back to equilibrium. We invalidated this bullish fair value gap after we rejected equilibrium and shifted structure on the 15-minute. We're pushing down again. So we could see us continue to push down. We might come down to this low tonight. Today. Really not too sure about what I want to see, man. All right, let's focus on a higher time frame for a second to really get a narrative. Again, we have this higher time frame SMT. We haven't really done much off of it. We did push down a little bit, but that's nothing compared to what this SMT is actually showing us. Again, the 1 hour is bearish for the most part. We're not having strong momentum at the moment, but it is bearish. We do have SMT right here, and we're in equilibrium of this range. So we just gonna have to see how we react, bro. This SMT looks good. All right, yeah, so we have two SMTs right here. We have an SMT right here. And we have that 5-minute SMT. All right, yeah, so I'm more bullish than bearish. I do acknowledge that there is a bearish possibility, but I just won't apply risk in that situation. We could come down and take our previous day low and then start to push up as well. So yeah, we could push down. And again, we are bearish on the 1 hour, at least in this little area, but we're also in the 1 hour fair value gap. If we do invalidate this SMT right here, then I do think we could come down to previous day low and create an SMT there and then start to push back up towards these highs and these relative equal highs. So
again, I'm not totally against short piece. I like a lot of things that he said, but I think it's hypocritical that he's advising people on their lives and he's on all these fucking depression medications and then he gets addicted to drugs and he's supposed to be a fucking psychiatrist. So anyway, so I pointed that out and some stuff with his daughter as well that I thought was ironic or like hypocritical considering his stance. And oh my god,
that nigga daughter bad.
Came in full force.
Jordan Peterson daughter.
The thing that people say in that video is they say, you see how many people are.
I don't even like white girls like that, but
you're wrong and you should take
yeah,
this video down.
She type decent. I ain't gonna hold you. Pull them little pigtails off her head.
Of myself.
So y'all can see we're pretty stagnant. This is some shit price action right now. So I'm gonna need a lot out of price today for me to take a trade. I'm gonna need a real nice SMT on the 1 minute. I'm gonna need a real nice expansion move to the upside. And it's gonna have to be real clear for me, bro. It's gonna have to be real clear. Cause right now I'm not liking this shit. It's ugly. And we already in the macro. You feel me? So yeah. But yeah, it is FOMC meeting minutes, which isn't really, it's not the same as FOMC. It's not really shit. But that's at 2 p.m. Okay, so we about to take this SMT out. So we might come for previous day low. And it looks like we're going to invalidate this fair value gap. Pretty much already have. You shouldn't really come down below the fair value gaps low. So pretty much already invalidated that. Yeah, we could use this as a rejection block. But I need another SMT. This isn't enough because we already really pushed up off of this SMT right here. All the way up here. We didn't take out any liquidity, but we did feel this imbalance. So we kind of did our job from this SMT. It's not really a big deal. So I think we're going to need to come down to previous day low. That SMT is pretty much irrelevant to me now. It's in the past. The way price is moving right now, though, I'm pretty sure previous day low is the target. Little SMT right here. On top of the SMT right here.
It motivates me to do amazing and fantastic things. And this is where true emotional control comes from. It's how something's going to happen, so how do you perceive it? It's like rolling with the punches of life. It's like boxing. You go with the shot, don't you? This is how it goes. This is life.
And I know some people are going to say about anger, because I always preach against anger, right?
Peep how we go probably form it. Well, actually, not even probably. We definitely gonna form a SMT with Previous Day Low. I think Q's gonna take it first, but it's looking decent. So after we take this, we might be able to start to see some going up towards buy side. The reason I didn't want to take this shit is because we were too close to the objective by the time we opened. We were already below equilibrium. We were already in a discount. I'm not selling in a discount. You feel me? I just did not want to sell this low. I knew it was likely or it was possible that we come down to Previous Day Low, but I'm not interested in taking that. So I'm gonna let this little SMT form, and we're gonna see if we could get a reversal back to the upside.
How hard is it to be the top 5% of men? 1 out of 20. Can you not be better than 19 men? It's so fucking easy.
It literally is.
And the prize,
it's easy as fuck.
And the thing is about what you said is like, I like society being that way because the prizes go to the fucking winner. If you can be the 1 out of 20, if you can be the top 5% of man, you get everything. You get the entire thing, rather it being equally distributed, right? Yep. So it gives you a goal to go for.
Now the thing is, we could reverse right here, and the reason I say that is because if you look at these lows right here,
and they want to sit there and pretend they want the juice, but they don't want to do the work. Like I said, I want to be a figure.
You see that?
I don't want to train. And then I'm never going to be able to fucking figure
this low has not even been close to getting touched, but this is this low right here.
And then they start sitting there complaining about society and like everyone else's fault. It's passive responsibility. So.
Y'all see that's the same low?
A couple more super chats that came in here. Let's see, Geek Mode.
We're nowhere near it on ES. And Q is in it right now. We already took it. So there is a SMT. We could reverse, but look, we're still holding this fair value gap. There's no reason to take that risk. Previous day low is looking real clean. But we do have an SMT. We could reverse right here. It's possible. It's plausible. But I don't really care. I would need to see us shift above this, like with displacement on the 1 minute, and create another SMT on the 1 minute, to be honest. If we close below this fair value gap, what we could do, which I'm not doing by any means, but we could just test this out real quick. We already tapped into this fair value gap, so we could just put it 1 tick above the fair value gap right there. And then put one target at these lows. That's a real easy target. And another one at previous day low. That's an easy little trade. We can see how this plays out if it ends up coming into fruition if we close below this. But like I said, we could reverse right here, so I would not take this trade. I just want to see if it works or if it plays out. Oh, boom, we got tapped in. But I wouldn't even take this on a demo because that's reinforcing bad habits. I'm just kind of testing this out, see what will happen. But I already told y'all I'm pretty bullish. Even though once we take our previous day low, we might just accumulate for the rest of the day. But this is a cool potential setup. We had an SMT up here with ES. Then we had another SMT somewhere in this bitch. Pushed down, created this fair value gap, rejected. Previous day low is looking like an easy draw on liquidity. Tapped in, like I said, tapped into the 5 minute fair value gap. Closed below this inverse. Came back up into it, got tapped in. So this is just like a little tester trade. But I'm trading this demo account as if it was real money. So, you know, some people trade demo accounts to like actually learn how to trade. So they're just taking whatever and they would apply something right here just to see it. But I'm pretending like this is a real account. It's kind of it's a challenge. So I got to treat it for real. All right, cool. So it did not play out. So this little SMT might have caused the reversal. So we might actually be reversing now. Oh, shit. What the fuck? There ain't no news, bro. This is a potential setup. We got the higher time frame SMT that I already showed y'all. Y'all can see the lines right there. Then we got another SMT right here. Now we starting to push back up.
And she was saying, oh, but men like you.
The 5 minute about to invalidate this fair value gap. I don't know. Previous day low still look good to me though. That's really the low I want to see get taken. So I don't even think. Yeah, I wouldn't even take this. Now I do think we could push up to equilibrium, but I don't even think I'm interested in this. But we did shift structure on the 5 minute. If we get a change in the state, I might take this. Yeah, no, I'm not fucking with it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Even if we do push up, that's fine. We could push up without me. I'm not fucking with it. I'm too confident in previous day low getting hit now. Even after the 5 minute shifting structure, 15 minutes still looking bearish. I just don't even want to risk it. Even with this little SMT, I mean, this low ain't even a low on the 15 minute. But we do have this 5 minute fair value gap that we holding. I just don't really care. If I'm not 100% confident, if this isn't exactly what I'm looking for, then I'm just not into it. We did get that change in the state, low key. We just would have got tapped in. I want to see how this one plays out too.
From the situation room. We are in this.
So yeah, this isn't worth the risk just because we actually have an SMT with this high on ES. Literally.
He's fucking
Look.
16. How old is he?
Zolo?
Yeah.
So there's literally an SMT with the high that I'm targeting.
It doesn't know.
It does look good, but it's not worth the risk. And previous day low, especially on the 15 minute, it just looks too enticing. Previous day low just looks so, it just looks so confident to fill this little market maker sell model, man.
Charge it to the game. And then
You feel me? It just looks like we're going to come down here. So I just don't have the confidence to take this. If I'm not 100% sure, I'm not taking it. I'd rather miss the move. That's how I've been feeling recently. That's what's going to give me the best results. I'd rather miss the move. That's going to increase my strike rate. I'm going to take less trades. I'm going to be more disciplined. I'm going to be a more professional trader that way. So I'm not taking this even on the demo account.
I know.
But
Fuck, it's so good.
I would be more likely to take this than the previous one. So this is closer to reality of what I really would take than the previous trade that I showed y'all. Where was it? Over here?
Being a certain way, and then, you know,
No, off the 5 minute. So we got the 5 minute inverse fair value gap. We got the 5 minute shift in structure. We got two SMTs. It looks good, but it's just not worth it. We got the SMT at this high.
Particular is that it looks really official.
And the 15 minutes still looks pretty bearish. But of course, a reversal is a reversal. The 1 hour looks decent right here. And we could come all the way up to these buy side levels, but I'm just not confident enough to take it, and I'm happy with that decision. So I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna let this do whatever it does. That was a little 1-to-1 though.
But we did get you sparkling.
So we're gonna have to put that into the journal.
Okay, all right. You know, it's not so bad, but it's been a long flight. 2 coffees.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Gotta put that in the journal. We gotta document all this.
Yeah.
Please.
If a 1-to-1 hits 90% of the time, but I'm still fucking losing most of my trades, I gotta document that and start taking 1-to-1s. You feel me? So let's just add that screenshot in. Oh, looks like this shit might play out, buddy. But right here, we had to move the stop to break even because we did hit equilibrium at this point. Just move it to break even. So partials right there. I don't know if I told y'all, but partials right here would be cool. That would be cool. Or even taking 4 would be cool at equilibrium. Boom. 1 to 1.5, we good. Even if we did take that little loss over here, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? That would have covered it plus 0.5% or 0.5 R. But yeah, my stop is at break even. Again, I'm not in this trade, not even on the demo account, because I wouldn't really take this because I'm not confident enough that we're ready to move up yet. I really wanted to see previous day low get hit first. And that SMT, like the low that the SMT was with, just wasn't that big of a deal to me. But it's valid and I wanted to test it. So, but yeah, partials right there would be cool. That's a winning trade. In my book, this is a winning trade. And stops is at break even anyway, so. But yeah, we just gonna see the end result of this shit. All right, that's break even right there. All right, so that's all I got for y'all today, man. Didn't really take shit, but tested some ideas. And let me turn this nigga down because he be loud as shit. And yeah, that's all I got, man. I'm just really just chilling, taking my time with this shit. I got some big shit coming soon, bro. A lot of money will be stacking up, bro. So yeah, I'm taking my time with this trading shit, bro. I'm not trying to rush it like I was before. We about to be in a better financial situation. Money gonna be coming in way better. Money's gonna be saved a lot more, you feel me? So we ain't gonna be stressing about shit. I don't know if I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on, but y'all might just see it, you feel me? But yeah, so I'm not worried about this trading shit too much. I don't need money from trading. I'm chilling. I'm just trying to perfect this skill, man. I'm trying to become a good trader, a patient trader, a disciplined trader. I don't care how long it takes. So yeah, we just taking our time with this shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Peace.